We have been digitizing records for 40 years. AI specifically has the ability to radically change it. We have one product, it's Ancestry. And so you're gonna work on that product, and what you're doing is gonna touch millions of consumers. Yes, it's about attracting top-tier talent. The other thing is making sure there are no jerks. It's about somebody who's collaborative, someone who actually lands with the mission, is passionate about what we do. There's a ton of people that have been here a long time, and that comes from people loving what we do, love the mission, love the culture. And you also have a fair bit of new folks that join and are just welcomed in with open arms and immediately dig in and get that same bug for family history, for storytelling, for genealogy, for genomics. I love this place, and the best is definitely yet to come for the company.